Hi guys. I wanted to share something with you, some of my thoughts and the past weeks that I've been making some decisions. For the past year, maybe, I've been thinking about botanical painting, and I live in a place where nature is so strong, and I always admire nature so much, plants and animals and vegetables, everything. And I like realism, so I thought I should give botanical painting a try. But I was always hearing from other people's comments that botanical painting is boring, it's like old, and that I should try painting something different. So I kept this idea of painting botanical subjects to myself. This year I started to do things differently. I started to do the things that I want to do, and I forgot about what other people expect from me or what I think other people expect from me. So I bought myself a botanical painting book, a Kindle book, because I couldn't wait to get a book here. If I buy something from Amazon, it will take almost a month to get here, so I didn't want to wait that long. And I bought a Kindle book from Billy Shaw, and she's this awesome botanical painter from the UK. She's like a modern botanical painter, more like a decorative style than a scientific style, and that's what I was looking for. I've been also looking a lot of animation videos for the past year and a half, and yeah, I love the way they both paint. So I've been studying and reading and practicing, and I also bought a set of Sennelier paintings, the set that Bill Shaw has, the specific set she built with Sennelier, but I have to wait for them to arrive sometime in May, probably by the end of May, and I will show you what these paintings are all about and what we can do with them. And they're supposed to be great for layering, glazing, and they are honey based, so they are pretty different from what I have. I use a lot of schminke and a lot of Van Gogh, and none of them use honey. So that will be, I don't know, different. And I want to show you from now on all the practice I'm making with my botanical paintings. I want to use them to do art, like original art in paper, in frames with mat and prints. And I also want to make patterns with them, patterns like these patterns to make clothing and accessories and stuff like that to sell on Etsy or maybe another platform. I don't know. I've been taking a course on how to do patterns, how to do them on different styles, and I will share that with you as well. So these are the news for this week and the next few weeks to come. And also, I will be publishing the class for the feathers, how to paint feathers, on my Skillshare channel. You can go over there on my first. And that's it. And have a great weekend, and see you around. Bye.